What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Imani Murray, and this is my YouTube channel where I share social media tips and tricks to help brands and businesses improve their social media presence. And today we're talking about the top 5 ways to increase your traffic and sales using Instagram checkout. So if you haven't already, make sure you go check out my last 2 videos all about Instagram Shop and the benefits of using Instagram checkout, so you can understand what's really going on and how to really use it to help your brand or business. But let's get right into the top 5 ways to boost, whatever word you want to use, your traffic and sales. Disclaimer, as I've said in my last video, Instagram Shop, Instagram Checkout is not a way to replace your e-commerce website. You should still have an e-commerce website, because what happens if all your social media gets hacked, it gets deleted, it goes down for the day? Where are you sending your clients, your customers, all of the above? So this is just a way to add another way for your customers to actually experience your products. So let's get right into it. So the first way to boost, whatever word you want to use, to boost your sales and your traffic using Instagram checkout is actually using product tags in your feed posts. Use them as much as you can. You can use multiple product tags on one post if you want. You can do 1, you can do 5. Just make sure you're using them. So it makes it easier for your followers to just simply tap on the product tag, take it to the product post, and boom, add it to your cart and check out. You want to make this easier for people. You want to make it easier for your customers, because people need things to be easy. They don't want to think hard. They just want to be able to just do 1, 2, 3. So adding product tags to all of your posts and making sure that it's the accurate one, it's updated, it has all the correct information, it makes things so much easier. So the second way to increase your traffic and sales kind of plays off of the first way. It's using your product sticker in your stories. You should be using that in almost all your stories. You don't want it to take over your story, but just incorporating it into your actual story post helps. Because once again, all your customers have to do is tap on the sticker, takes it to the product page, and boom, they can check out. And they'll be able to check out as long as you have Instagram checkout set up. If you don't have Instagram checkout set up, it'll still take it to the product page. It just will then link it to your website, versus them being able to actually shop directly within, them being able to actually check out right within Instagram. So the third way to increase your traffic and sales is using user-generated content. You've heard me say this before. Use user-generated content. It is just so easy. It makes your life easier, especially for social media managers and people that are on the social media team. You don't have to sit there and create content. It's created for you for free. So use and share user-generated content. Your shoppers, your followers, your supporters like to see the products in a relatable lifestyle. They want to be able to see it not just on a regular model, but somebody that looks like them, somebody that is out there running just like they would be running in the park, or someone that is actually sitting on the beach with the bag that they want to use. Using user-generated content, which is, if you don't know, user-generated content is content that your followers are creating for you, or your supporters are creating for you, or people are creating for you. So if I was to take a picture in this shirt, upload it to Instagram and tag the company, this is user-generated content, versus actually contacting like an influencer to pay and create a post. You can get this for free because your supporters are encouraged to actually share their posts. So yes, user-generated content is good, not just in Instagram checkout, but just across your board on all sites of social media, because while the product shots are good and seeing the models in your products, people want to be able to relate. They want to be able to see relatable content. They want to be able to say, oh, okay, I would be wearing the outfit. I would be wearing the shirt just like that in that outfit. Okay, let me go buy it. And of course, if you use user-generated content, that increases your exposure, and their audience, the person who's actually creating the content, is introduced to your brand, and then they'll go check you out, and then boom, more traffic, more sales. So it's not just about just using the user-generated content just so you don't have to create content. It actually is helping you bring the traffic back and bring the sales, because the person, whoever is creating the content, if they have 5 followers, their 5 followers are going to see and be exposed to your brand. So make sure that you're encouraging your users, your followers, your supporters to actually tag you, to take pictures, to take video, create reels, all of the above. And then that's free content for you. That's free exposure for you. Hello. User-generated content is like a cheat code, okay? The 4th way to increase your traffic and sales is probably my favorite right now, is releasing an exclusive drop using Instagram checkout. Whether that's you're releasing a new line, you're releasing just a t-shirt, you're releasing some stationery, you're releasing some pillow covers. Releasing an exclusive drop with Instagram checkout makes your product stand out from the others, and that's your other products, that's other brands. It makes it stand out. I've actually seen a few brands doing this, and I love this idea. People love to feel like they're a part of something exclusive, so marketing this drop as exclusively on Instagram checkout or something to that effect, that makes people feel special. Like, people love to be a part of something exclusive, and this falls right into that. Adding the word exclusive, or you can only get it on Instagram checkout, something like that, that adds hype around it, that makes people feel special, that creates an experience around it. So definitely, if you're hesitant to actually convert your whole Instagram shop to Instagram checkout, at least just drop like one product and see what happens, see what your numbers do, and then maybe it might be worth actually converting all your products over to Instagram checkout. Not getting rid of your e-commerce website, please do not, but this just, makes it easier for people. And the last way to increase your traffic and your sales is to collab with creators. As I mentioned in my previous videos, Instagram has recently introduced shopping with creators, which allows creators, influencers, artists, whoever has this actual feature, it allows them to tag to make their posts shoppable. Let's say a huge beauty influencer or a huge skincare influencer has been hired by Fenty Skin, right? Instead of just tagging Fenty Skin's Instagram, they can actually tag the product. So if they're using the fat water serum and the moisturizer, I can't think of it, I use it all the time and I can't even think of the name, but if they're using those 2 products, they can go ahead, post on their feed, add a product tag to both products, and instead of, like I said, just tagging the Fenty Skin Instagram, they can tag both products. Their followers will be able to click on the post. Similar to user-generated content, user-generated content is free. Usually when you're working with a creator, influencer, there is some type of fee, payment, whatever. So collabing with creators, influencers, all of the above is another way to increase your traffic and your sales back to your Instagram shop. Thus, your users can then check out. Another benefit to collabing with the creators, obviously, is it gets rid of the issue of, people commenting and saying, oh, where did you get that product from? Da 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 da. Instead of them just saying, oh, I got it from Fenty Skin, all they have to do is say, tap on the product, tap on the picture, tap on the product. It goes right to the product. Or there are some people that don't even respond to their comments, or when somebody asks where did they get it from. So this gets rid of that issue. When you are tagging your products in your post and in your story, make sure you're including a call to action, because people need to be told what to do. Just because you put a product tag doesn't mean people are actually going to click on it. I've seen endless times influencers, or just people in general, tag their pictures with the brands that they're wearing, and people still will comment, oh, where did you get that from? Where did you get that from? It's literally all you have to do is tap on the picture. So just to make it easier and just to make sure that people know and it's there, just maybe simply just put in your caption, tap to shop, or click the post to shop. Some type of call of action, so that people, or call to action, not call, what is call of action? Am I talking about Call of Duty? Make sure there's a call to action so that your followers or your supporters or whoever knows, like, okay, all I have to do is tap on the post to shop the product. People need to be told what to do, especially in the world of social media. People need to be told what to do, so make sure you have a call of action. Call to action. Why do I keep saying call of action? So that was the top 5 ways, in my opinion, to increase your traffic and your sales using Instagram checkout. So use your product tags in your feed posts, use the product sticker in your stories, share user-generated content, release exclusive products on Instagram using Instagram checkout, and of course collab with creators. So in order to actually benefit from these top 5 ways, you should make sure that your Instagram is set up with Instagram shop at least. And if you decide to use Instagram checkout, make sure your shop is set up with Instagram checkout. I definitely think it's important to use Instagram shop even if you're not going to use Instagram checkout. I get it. I don't want extra fees. But this is a way, like I said, you can test it out, play around with it, and see what works for you. You don't have to use every product you don't have to use every product with Instagram checkout, but making sure that your shop is set up on Instagram makes it super convenient. And like I said, if you don't know what Instagram shop is, I will link it down below and link it here. My video where I actually talk about what it is and how you can sell your products on Instagram. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you leave me a comment down below. If you're using Instagram checkout, if you're using Instagram shop, leave it down below. Let me know how that is going. If you're going to actually incorporate it into your strategy, I would love to hear how that's going. And as of course, make sure you subscribe. And as always, make sure you follow me on all social media platforms: Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, at It's Imani Murray. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.